Yes, I'm Roman, and today we are in the city of Landas, a French, I think that's actually pronounced Londa, a French commune in the Nord department of the Hauts-de-France region. In more or less the centre-ville of Landas, and as you can see, Landas is a rural commune which is specifically situated in the green lung of La Pévelle Carembo. And if you love a rural scenery, if you love greenery, green pastures, etc., this would be one of the ideal places to live. If you like calmness, quietness, a little bit of seclusion. And one important fact to note is that Landas is so small that there are only 2,463 inhabitants. Cities, I suppose, and that is that there's always a big bell. There's always a bell ringing every now and again, and I don't know, for me it's interesting. There's not really much to see here apart from what I've shown you, but if there's one positive thing I'll say, that is that one advantage of living in a rural community such as this one is that it is more likely than not that you will know everyone and that people will be friendly. So that is quite good, and when you go to a school in the area, in the community, I think it should be wonderful. Though there could be some negatives to that too, but nonetheless, that's it for my travel today. If you enjoyed this video, as usual, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also leave a comment. And finally, if you're from this city, City Play, Lesmo and Monte, ciao ciao.